Hi, we're Sonic Eclectic. We're in New York City. We're at the New York City Photo Expo. We're here with Tim, which is from Bowens, and he's going to tell us a little bit about LED lights.
Hi there. Well, my name's Tim. I'm from Bowens. Bowens is a manufacturer who's been making studio lighting for around 50 years, but we've moved into LED lighting technology this year, specifically for video users and photographers moving into video through DSLR cameras. Our LED lights are the brightest on the market. They're very tough. They're built to standard Bowens design techniques using very solid metal cases, very bright daylight balanced LEDs, easily configurable into banks of light, so we can make 2 or 4 banks out of our single panels, and very stable with color temperature, 5600 daylight across the range, and we're introducing tungsten and bicolor models next year too to enhance the range. Well, the big difference with LED lights is that they're absolutely cool to the touch. This is a 2-panel rig I've had on since 10 AM today. No heat at the front, no heat on the back, and yet it's daylight balanced, so colors are natural. People respond naturally under this type of lighting because unlike our strobe line, there's no pulse of light that causes a blink response. It's nice and natural and continuous. And you can control the lights. We have a dimming circuit built in, so you can step the lights right down from this full intensity to a nice low level according to your requirements. What you can do is take a single panel like this, which is a 1x1 format, and you can double it up or quad it up into a much bigger window of light, which creates a nice window light type lighting for portraiture. And by linking them together with this cable here, I can control both my lights from one button.
That's amazing. And I guess you can go wireless as well?
You can't go wireless with these, but what you can do is plug them into a studio mixing desk and control them all from a central desk area. And you can also see on the top here, we supply a battery mount, so if you're away from AC mains power, you can hook up a regular camcorder V-mount or gold mount battery to here and power them for up to 3 hours at a run time from a remote battery. Yeah, this is something that you put together by buying our 4-panel rig. So you buy 4 individual panels, buy the rig kit, and the panels can be used either individually or put together into a big rig of light like this.
Now, would you say LED lights are the future? That's where it's going?
Yes, LED lights are the future, both in conventional strobe technology. We start to see them used as model lights, and also very much in continuous lighting for video. Because they're cool, because they're stable, because they're color accurate, they're a great light source. It's what we've done at Bowens, because we're relatively late to market, is we've sourced very bright, very stable LEDs that have a 20,000 hour life. And over that 20,000 hour life, we would not expect the color shift to be there at all. What we find at the end of the life is the LEDs will just stop to function. And at that stage, you know, to either change the circuit board with the LEDs in or just buy a new panel. You're watching Sonic Eclectic here at PhotoPlus.